Oops, it's kind of on the shed, but it's just briefly laying on there. No damage. This is so cool and relaxing for me to watch. Might not excite you guys, but it's interesting. And they get paid big, big money to cut these trees down. It's a new week, it's Monday, so they're back at it. They were here the whole week last week. I haven't gotten my mulch yet, but I've been promised. But there's so many trees that they're cutting down. I'm for sure that they haven't forgotten me. Uh-oh. So he cuts the small branches off and just throws them over. But if it's a great big limb, then he'll put it in that basket with him and carry it over. Not carry it, but move himself over to the backyard and drop it. And he's just maneuvering around this large tree limb that he cut down and cutting off the smaller branches so that he can get it off of this shed. Not shed, garage. But can't see him, but he's behind the house, dropping off that big limb. And then he'll come back over and cut some more. It looks like it's off the garage now. But maybe he's going to cut some more to make it smaller. Nope, or is he going to let it drop? Let's see if he lets it drop. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down. Slowly, but it's going down. Now it looks like it's stuck on that other big tree limb that's sticking out to the left. Looks like it's just sitting there. So I guess he's going to have to cut some more of it off to get it off that big tree limb. And I imagine that big tree limb is coming down next. Well, maybe. I don't know. They might be doing these other two big ones. Not sure. What order they're doing. Yep, cutting off small branches and dropping them behind the garage to get that off that big limb. Anywho, that's enough of this. I'm out on my porch working, so that's why I'm watching. I just pulled my camera up so I can show you guys what's going on. And as you see, let's see, that big old tree is still in the front yard. They haven't broken that all the way down into the mulch yet. And then they have so much in the backyard to chop up and mulch. They're going to be here for the rest of the week, I'm sure. Okay, I think that big piece that he just cut and trimmed up the limbs is going down. Yeah, they're lowering it down now. I believe. It looks like it's off of that. Yep. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yep, it's gone down. All right, y'all. I'm going to keep watching and working, and I'll check y'all out later.
2 hours later.